If you want to get European education for free, get monthly paid, eat gelato and pizza, and relax in the coastal Mediterranean Sea, then you have to watch this video. Hey, welcome! My name is Muhayyo and I have got 4 fully funded scholarships in different countries, and in this channel I share my way of winning scholarship abroad, and also I share opportunities for you to study for free in any country you want. If you are not subscribed, please do, because more opportunities are coming. So, Italian government offering unlimited opportunities for international students to study master, PhD in Italy. What does the scholarship cover? Tuition fee, enrollment fee, monthly stipend of 900 euros or 9,000 euros for 9 months. You would say, why 9 months? Because usually master or PhD is more. Usually master is more than 24 months or PhD is even 36 months. I will explain to you later. Please stay tuned. Who can apply? There are 139 countries that can apply for the scholarship, so you will find your country there for sure. So what programs are included? If you are applying for such programs as an art, dance or music, you are welcome to apply. Moreover, there are opportunity to apply for these scholarships and get it for 9 months for the research projects that you want to conduct in think tanks or research institutions in Italy. Additionally, the people who want to learn Italian and already know it for some extent, especially to A2, then they can apply for the scholarships to get fully funded Italian courses for 3 months. Talking about the specializations, you can find almost all the specializations, because all the universities, Italian universities, are included there. So it means that mostly you can find any program that you want. How does the process happen? First of all, there are 2 separate processes that you have to complete to get this scholarship. First, you have to find the university program and major that you want to apply. I will share with you the website again, where and how you can find the Italian institute or university to apply for. And second is applying for scholarship itself. There are specific platforms that you can apply and get the scholarship. Universities can have their own requirements. Please read about it and try to apply, because you have to provide offer from a university to get this scholarship. Before I go further to talk about documents, I want to clarify this 9 months of providing scholarship. Why only 9 months? Because when you apply for master, PhD or any research project scholarship, you have to complete the first year successfully. It means that you have to get good scores, then you can renew the scholarship. Still, some people can say 900 euros. It's not enough for Italy. I have checked the website of European Union Commission, and you can officially work in Italy with a student residence permit as a part-timer for 20 hours. So here you go, work and study at the same time. The last part is about documents. What kind of documents you will need to apply for this scholarship? First of all, you have to provide IELTS, English proficiency test. If you are applying for PhD, you don't need it. Ura! So you are welcome to apply without any IELTS. For master degree, please check the requirements and the scores of English exam in the university website that you are going to apply for. The second thing is about statement, personal statement or motivation letter. You have to provide motivation letter indicating why do you want the scholarship and why do you fit and etc. etc. Please watch this video of mine where I talk very specifically about motivation letter and how to write a winning motivation letter for a scholarship. Of course, you have to provide your transcripts and diplomas. If it is for PhD, you have to provide 2, bachelor and master. If it is for master, only bachelor degree. Also, you have to submit your CV. Again, watch this video of mine where I talk about the most common CV mistakes that can degrade your application usually. The last thing is about research proposal. If you're applying for PhD studies, you have to provide research proposal. I'm going to have another separate video on research proposal later on in my channel. Please stay tuned. When can you apply? Now the application is open, so run to apply for it because it's until 14th of June. And it is yearly scholarship, so it means that you can even apply next year for this scholarship. Good luck to you and see you in my next videos.